afternoon to teacher and my classmates. This is my final year assignment presentation, and my proposal title is Restoring Recommendation with high rating and promotion based on Android application. This is my introduction. What product I do? About my product, I want to give the experience to the user, more better food experience, and save time and save cost. Why save time? It's because user no need to go out and find that restaurant and find that restaurant didn't good enough of the taste or the else. And the save cost is about you no need to waste your money, go out and driving your car or else call Grabs and waste your money to find the restaurant. About the project to do, is about my project is do only the state of the country, and my project is only for KL for now. About the problem statement, my project has to solve about the car gas and waste money and waste time. About the project have helped is about the small stock. If the small stock didn't have any the customer come, then it will make the small stock to become more user more customer to eat up. And some small store about the FCO, he change the places. So you can go my application to find the restaurant places. About others is restaurant detail. My project have restaurant detail for that. You can see any voucher or else the menu inside. About my project scope, is application is suitable for the range of the user between 8 and above. About the 8 and above, if the kids also know how to use that phone, also can use that. Use this application. And this application for only living in KL. Else is the application is only for restaurant. Didn't have any beverage like the beer or else. About the project objective is to develop an Android-based mobile application which allows the customer to browse some recommendation, restaurant, other food voucher. And other is to build an analysis tool for the restaurant application to gain insight the well-performing restaurant. This is my methodology about waterfall model. Why I choose waterfall model is because waterfall model is basic of methodology, and that is the first model of the methodology. Signature of my project is about the review rating function, have menu feature function and voucher function. Expected outcome about my expected outcome is have restore searching features, filtering features, recommendation features, and voucher features. Next chapter is about literature review. This is my 3 completion of my proposal or product. This first is that have rating system only. Second is that he has rating system and recommendation restaurant, and you put the map for the user. Second, just a website, HTML website, and it's have title here or address, and else you can rating also. About the features of my product, and just now the three comparison product. This is my proposal product. First of the have rating function, filtering function, reviewing function, didn't have ordering function, reservation function, map function, food detail, restaurant detail, and voucher. About the second, both as you see, just something same about same. Also have rating, some have reviewing. About my proposal product, didn't have ordering system, reservation system, and food detail. It because my proposal product is just a recommendation application, not a ordering, just like not like the app of Grab, Food Panda like that. Next is requirement analysis and design. This is the Google form of the survey. First question is how are you? Next question is did you use restaurant recommendation application before? Another is which restaurant is your favorite? Next is what type of food do you like? Another is please state the feature you consider when dining in restaurant. Which of the features do you think is necessary of the restaurant recommendation application? Are the rating and reviews the factors that influence you to dining in particular restaurant? Do you think the quitting is reason for you not to eat at the restaurant? Next is about how would you choose a restaurant quotation recommend to you by the system? Do you agree that application collect the data user data for providing adapt the user experience? Next is if that assist such as this application will you introduce to application to your friend. This about this all of the Google form survey is just to see about the user how much what is the flavor of the restaurant they want, and about is the their data if they're giving to application is okay or not. Next is about the use case diagram. Is the usage diagram have visitor account, login account, search restaurant filters, restaurant give redeem voucher, get recommend, rating and review. Restaurant also you give a discount. This is signature diagram. This is about the architectural design. Have user going to phone data restaurant like that. This is the class diagram about my application. This is the database design. This is my interface design. My interface design first page is the list of the restaurant. Got searching filter. Below they have promotion page, voucher page. The last one is the user page. If you click inside the restaurant list, it will bring you to the restaurant detail. You can collect the voucher or redeem the voucher there. If the voucher is already collect, it will become light color. Next is about chapter 4, implementation. About the implementation, first is Android Studio development tools. Why I choose the Android Studio is because Android Studio is the quicker and faster coding for now. And Android Studio allows the developer like coding, me coding, will quicker to change any function. It will give the function out more easy to edit. Other else is layout editor is more easy to use. And you can drag and drop the editor tools working with XML file. Like constraint layout, linear layout like that. Next is why I choose the Firebase database. Because Firebase database is real-time database and is dynamic link, cloud storage, and yes, analysis. This is my coding about main activity. How this is the get restaurant data, and this is the list of my restaurant. This is how to the restaurant list, the search list, how to show it, and below there is the some function about the click. This below the search determine the search list function. This is the click item listener, like when the user search after search the restaurant, if the user click the restaurant, it will go to the next page to the restaurant detail. Below there is a click listener like bring you page to other page. This is the check login. If the user is already logged in, next time user didn't need to log in again, it will collect the user in the application data. This is the get restaurant data, the function of get restaurant data. It will take from the Firebase, mean of the name of the Firebase database, and you collect the data out, and you put in the adapter, means the list, restaurant list. After that, this is the click the restaurant list will bring you to restaurant detail. Collect voucher data, and the user have collected the voucher data. You go into inside the voucher Firebase database voucher page. When you want to take the voucher, how is the voucher name? Then you need to check the voucher or user of the voucher. Then you take out and put out the list for the user voucher. This is the same of the check-in main page. Next is the customer data. As the same, if you also take from the Firebase database, and this the not same is you will take the customer name first, you check in first. If it's the same, then you log in successful like that. This is the customer. This is the model of the my application. Here is the customer model, review model, restaurant model, voucher model, voucher name model, and voucher model. All of this model is a bridge of the Firebase and to my application. And this is the restaurant map. is take from the Google Map, and you need to check the location with the length. This is my Firebase of the real-time database. Here have customer, promotion, restaurant review, and voucher of the database. Inside of them also have many data. These are just a key. This is the test case decision. First one is the login and register function. Of this, you need to log in. If didn't the account, you have to register it. If register username has been paid, you can't to use it. You have to change another username. If register successful, you can log in to use the application. Next is search bar function. This is a search bar function about main page, and user can click the search bar and type in some restaurant name. If the restaurant name didn't inside, you pop up the restaurant didn't have the restaurant. And if you have the restaurant, you show in the list, and user can key in the list and get into the restaurant detail. This is a list view of restaurant detail function as same as a search function is combined together. This is the redeem voucher of the restaurant detail. User can fill in the restaurant detail. If the restaurant has voucher, it will show it have voucher there. If didn't have voucher, you show no voucher available. And user can redeem the voucher once. If the voucher has already redeemed, the voucher will become light color. User can't click it up. Use voucher is at voucher page. User can use the voucher, then the voucher will delete. This is the database of the analysis of the restaurant. The average of the restaurant Chamber Grill, Yen and Yun House average have 5 star, and other else have 4 star and 3 star. This is the restaurant rating. Popular it is because the more user to rating it. McDonald's is the first of the more of the user rate. Second is the Cochon and Yen Chamber Grill. Other else is like that. About my project limitation, because time is not enough, so my filtering function didn't put inside because it's harder as I think make it out. So I will, if I have more time, I will do it. And other else is if I have more time or after my course, I also will make the ordering or reservation system get inside if you need that. In future work, if this is my first operation, and if in future I will add more feature inside features inside. First is booking user can book their restaurant if they need in restaurant deal. After that booking page will show that booking details to user. And of course, if the restaurant has booking, also can ordering in these features. Ordering about the ordering, user have to prepare first. After they order the things, have to prepare first because scared the user didn't pay, then they cancel the order. So this is my features of the features. Next is my operation of presentation. So wait a while. Please, Wi-Fi actually. Right. Now, next week. All right. All right. This is my operation. That is my loading screen. After loading screen, you come inside this page. This page is the main page of my product. Sorry, application. And this is the list of restaurant. Total now I just add like 10 restaurant only. So if you click inside the like first one of the Jalan Olo, you will see the restaurant detail below there. If they didn't have any voucher, they will show no voucher available. User also can rate here below there and get review. Above here have a restaurant map. If user click the restaurant that map, then you bring you to there to set the location there. After that, up there have a search bar. User can type in like I have the restaurant of the McDonald's inside, so I click McDonald's. MC, you come to McDonald's. You no need to click type in all of the word inside. Then you can click in. It will show the McDonald's details. And because this voucher didn't show like below of the button because it's have redeemed. So you show the voucher have been redeemed if you click the redeem button. Up here is the photo. User can scroll the photo, you can see the photo here. Other else below here is show review. User can click the show review to see any review here. You can hide the review also if you didn't want to see. If user type anything, you click the cancel. You show all of the restaurant outside. Second page is the promotion page. User didn't have go into the inside the restaurant detail to see the promotion. Here have the promotion detail here. If user in need to see the restaurant detail, also can click inside. Now it's about the voucher page. If user use the voucher, you click use up, and the voucher has used up. If the voucher after using, show no redemption voucher here. The fourth page is voucher. Oh, sorry. User. This is the user page. You show the welcome the username. Then here is help, about, and logout. After logout, you bring you to the login page. About the login page, if user didn't have login, you can't press any home promotion page or voucher page. User have to log in first. If the user enter the wrong password, and press login, you see you say invalid password. And if the username is invalid, then you show user didn't exit. After that, it is a register page. User can register account. 4 minutes. Right. If I click the register, then you register. But this username I already used is very taken, so username have been used. So you can't use that username again. So I have to change it. And I change the username. Right. And this user also use it. Sorry. Right. If the user is registered successful, you show out. Then user can log in here. After that, you log in another account. You also can see the people review, other account review. You show it here, and your voucher also didn't have any voucher. That's all.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much for your presentations today. So you have done a very good job and impressive and your applications. So the same question for you, what's the biggest challenge just in developing this project?
The biggest challenge is I try a new project. Sorry, new coding language. Before this, I learned the Android. I I I learned before a little bit like school teacher teaching, but about the Firebase, I learned it online. So this is my big problem like that. I need to learn the Firebase database.
Yes, the brand new Firebase knowledge, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So well done. Thank you, Sibong, and next one.
Thank you everyone.